What's she doing? What's she doing standing up like that? She looks funny. She looks funny. So, when I come out to see her this morning, she's in her new house, like I've seen her for the past 5 days. Unfortunately, I haven't heard any babies or seen any babies. I only ever saw one baby in the house on the left, the higher one, and so it's very unfortunate that I never saw her transferring her little family. But she's just gone now to bury an almond, and it's all very quiet. All very quiet in the garden these days. There's only her and one other squirrel that frequents, and that's another young female, the one that she's always beating up. And it is kind of all quiet on the Western Front, but within a couple of weeks I would think the baby's eyes will start to open, and there'll be a bit of activity there. And then when the babies are getting a bit active, then they're going to be all around that place on a constant basis. And I'm hoping that when Providence comes down and jumps on me and, eats from my hand, then she may encourage the others to do that. Or not. I don't know how she's going to feel about that. But I know that the parents abandon the young when they have been out of the nest. Here she is. What do you want then? You want another one of those? There you go, good girl. She loves those. You can see all the titties now. You see she's well settled. Now, she had a problem when I put the camera in the window of her home, but she's never had a problem with the camera since she's been a baby, because the camera's always been in her face. So it's just the intrusion in her home that she wasn't happy about. Now, she'll invariably never bury walnuts because she knows they'll decompose too quick, but she'll go and bury an almond. And I've got no more walnuts in my pocket. I've only got 3 almonds left, and so when she was younger, she used to love almonds. She'd sit there and she'd eat 5 consecutively. Here you go, my little sweetheart. Here you go. Where are you going? What's happening? Where's she gone with her? I think she's probably gone down the tree. Well, nothing's been interested in my bird or squirrel box up there, which is kind of disappointing. And then in here somewhere, I put a little box for the tits. It's curious because I can't even find where it is now. Oh, there it is. And nothing found that very interesting either. So I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, guys and girls, a little bit of an update. Providence watch. Let's see what happens with our little babies.